Alrighty, y'all. Today we get the opportunity to be a blessing. Our one-way motto is we're one way every day, and a part of that is being a blessing to everybody by leaving them better than we found them. And today we've got an elderly couple inside. She's got Alzheimer's, and he's been taking care of her. And they tried to buy a roof from us. They tried getting financing, and literally just like zero credit, so couldn't get financing. And I was going through thinking about doing in-house financing, setting them up on payments, and it just felt wrong. I was just convicted, nope, we got to donate this roof to them. So we had Home Depot donate a bunch of products, Lowe's donate a bunch of products, Richard's Building Supply donate a bunch of products. Out of pocket on this, we're only a few $100 maybe in materials. And then of course, we're covering all the labor. Just super grateful for this team. My entire team is here today, with the exception of Joanne. She's holding down the fort because she's the only one capable of doing that by herself. So she's at the office doing that thing, but everybody else is here. You see we got kids here working. These are my kids, but my kids, my beautiful wife. And but we got other team members with their kids here. We are just, it just takes a whole village, and we're eternally grateful for this, and just glad that we get to do cool things like this in our community. So thank you, Lowe's, Home Depot, Richard's Building Supply, and my team, the one-way team. You guys kick butt, and just really grateful to have you all in our lives.